Do you ever feel nervous when you need to speak English at work?
Maybe you want to send an email, but you don't know if it sounds polite.
Or maybe you are in a meeting and you want to share your idea, but the words don't come.
Or someone at work says hello and starts a small conversation, and suddenly your mind goes blank.
If this sounds like you, don't worry, you are not alone.
Many English learners feel shy or afraid when speaking at work.
But here is the good news.
You don't need perfect English.
You only need a few polite phrases. Simple phrases that you can use every day.
Today we will practice polite English for 3 very common situations:
Emails
meetings.
and small talk with coworkers.
And the best part?
All the phrases today are easy
Short.
and natural.
By the end of this episode, you will have many polite English sentences you can start using today.
Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Everyday Spoken English.
This is the place where learning English is simple, relaxed, and fun.
I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul.
Here on this channel, we help you speak English more confidently in real life.
We focus on real conversations, real phrases, and simple English you can use every day.
Whether you are learning English for work, school, travel, or daily life.
You are in the right place.
And if you want to improve your English step by step,
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
also give this video a like if you enjoy learning English with us.
And share it with a friend who is also learning English.
All right,
Let's begin today's topic.
today we are talking about polite English at work.
Being polite in English is very important in professional situations.
When you speak politely, people feel comfortable with you,
They respect you more.
and communication becomes easier.
But many learners make one common mistake.
They speak too directly,
Direct English is not always wrong.
but sometimes it can sound a little rude.
For example, imagine you send this email.
Send me the report.
Is it clear?
Yes.
But is it polite?
Not really.
Now listen to this.
Could you please send me the report?
This sounds much more polite,
The meaning is the same.
but the feeling is different.
So, today we will learn simple, polite phrases for 3 situations.
Writing emails
Speaking in meetings.
and having small talk at work.
Let's start with emails.
Emails are very common in the workplace.
And polite emails create a good impression. Here are some simple greetings.
Hello, John.
Hi, Sarah.
Good morning.
These greetings are friendly and professional.
Now let's learn polite ways to ask for something.
Instead of saying, send me the file,
Try saying, could you please send me the file?
another polite sentence is, would you mind sending me the file?
Or even simpler, can you please send me the file?
Let's imagine a situation.
Emily needs a document.
So I write an email. Hello, Paul. Could you please send me the meeting notes from yesterday? Thank you very much. Emily.
Short
Clear.
and polite.
Always thank people in emails.
For example, thank you for your help.
Thank you for your time.
I really appreciate it.
Here are simple ways to end an email.
Best regards.
Kind regards.
Thank you.
Now let's talk about meetings.
Meetings can be scary for English learners.
But remember something important.
You don't need long sentences.
You only need simple, polite phrases. Here is a polite way to share an idea.
I have a suggestion.
Or, I have an idea.
Another polite phrase. Maybe we could try this.
Let's imagine we are in a meeting.
We are discussing a project.
I say, I have an idea. Maybe we could start the project next week.
That sounds clear and polite.
Sometimes you want to agree.
Here are some simple phrases. I agree.
That's a good idea.
I think that works well.
Disagreeing is normal.
But we must do it politely.
Instead of saying, no, that's wrong.
Try saying, I see your point, but maybe we could try another way.
Or, I'm not sure about that. What do you think about this idea? Now let's talk about small talk.
Small talk means short, friendly conversations.
You have small talk before meetings.
During coffee breaks.
Or when you see coworkers in the hallway.
Here are easy questions. How are you today?
How is your day going?
Did you have a good weekend?
What are you working on today?
Let's practice a small conversation.
Hi, Paul. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well.
Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I relaxed and watched a movie. Now it's your turn.
Let's practice together.
Say this sentence with me. Could you please send me the file?
Good.
One more time. Could you please send me the file?
Great.
Now try this one. I have an idea.
Say it out loud. I have an idea.
Nice.
Now answer this question in your head.
If you meet a coworker in the morning, what can you say?
Maybe, good morning. How are you?
Or, how is your day going?
Try saying it now.
Before we finish, we want to talk about something important.
Confidence.
Many English learners are afraid of making mistakes.
But mistakes are normal.
Think about a baby learning to walk.
The baby falls many times.
But the baby keeps trying.
And finally, the baby walks.
Learning English is the same.
Small steps every day.
Simple sentence.
Little by little.
And one day you realize something amazing.
You are speaking English naturally.
Let's quickly review what we learned today.
First, polite phrases for emails.
Could you please send me?
Thank you for your help.
Second, polite phrases for meetings.
I have an idea.
That's a good suggestion.
And polite disagreement.
I see your point, but maybe we could try.
Third, small talk at work.
How are you today?
Did you have a good weekend?
Now we have a small challenge for you.
Write one polite English sentence in the comments.
Maybe an email sentence.
Maybe a meeting phrase.
Or a small talk question.
Practice today, not tomorrow.
The more you practice, the more confident you will feel.
And if you enjoyed this episode,
Don't forget to like this video.
subscribe to our channel, Everyday Spoken English.
And keep learning English with us.
Thank you so much for listening.
And we will see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.